Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make what we call our Sandpiper earrings. We also make a necklace that matches this. And here, I'll show you the necklace. We will post the tutorial on how to make this on a different video. Here it is. And if you sign up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, you will be notified when we post our necklace tutorial. But now back to the earrings. I start with a beading string, about 12 to 14 inches. I put a little clip on the end so that my beads don't all slide off the end as I'm doing it. And I'm going to start with 5 of the 11-0 seed beads. Pull that down, and then I will add a 4mm bicone. Three of the 11-0 seed beads. And then the pearl for the bottom. Then 3 more 11-0 seed beads. Our second 4mm bicone. Then 5 seed beads. And then we will add 2 seed beads, and that starts to make the little top portion here. So we will add the 2 seed beads, our top pearl, then 1 last of the 11-0 seed beads, and now we will add the 6-0 seed bead. This makes the very top that we put our jump ring in. So that's that one. And now we pull them all down, and I want to go back. I'm going to go not through this one, but down through the single seed bead here and the pearl, and then these 2 seed beads. And then I want to pull that right on through. And now I will need to take my clip off the bottom, and I will start going. I will loop all the way through the seed beads and everything that I had put on. And then I will get back up to the top of the loop, and I'm not going to go up through those 2 seed beads this time. I'm just going to stay at the top of the loop, and now I'm going to pull it tight, tighten everything up. And now I'm going to tie the 2 strings together at the very top. Okay, now that will secure it, but I'm going to weave my ends So, well, this one I'm going to take it on up through the 2 seed beads. This will reinforce the top. So I'm going through the top 2 seed beads, the pearl, and the single seed bead up top. Then I'm going to loop it back around my big one, kind of straighten that out so it's sitting horizontally on top. And then go back down. If I can get it in there. Okay, just wanted to go down the single small seed bead. There we go. And back down through the pearl and then through the other 2 seed beads that make the top. Okay, so I'm going to pull that kind of tight, straighten out the top so it's sitting that way. And now I'm going to bury my thread on down through here. So I'll go through a few more seed beads. My tail's getting caught here. I'll just make sure I pull that out of there. Now, what I'm going to do is tie another knot just to secure this again. Make sure it stays in between those 2 seed beads. And then continue down a few more beads. Okay. Oh. Yep, I did do that. I got on the wrong side of that seed bead. So I'll pull it back up, rethread it, and try again. So I'll come out on the other side of that pearl. Now I'm going to thread my other side on, my little tail end that I had left. And I will just go down the other side and do the same thing of going through a few seed beads, tie a little knot, and then bury it a little bit further in so the end will not pop out. Okay, so now that is all set. We will shape it up a little bit the way we like it. Then we will trim off our loose ends. And now it's time to put the jump rings on. Okay, so just a minute and I will get the jump ring and the ear wires that we will attach. Alright, and I use flat nose pliers, and it's helpful if you have two sets of pliers, but I'll take an open jump ring, I stick it through the top, which is the large seed bead, then I will take the ear wire, and then I will secure both sides of the open jump ring, and then I will just twist them, rotate them back into alignment, and then I always double check and make sure I can't even fit my fingernail in there, so it's nice and tight and it will stay secure. Now at the bottom of our video I will leave a link to our Etsy page, and I will leave links to both the finished earrings. You could buy them already made if you don't want to try to make them yourselves, or we are making up some kits where you can buy exactly what you need to make this set of earrings. So you will have it this color and you will have everything you need. You don't have to go out and buy a big package of 3,000 seed beads or anything. You can have just what you need. So we will post those at the bottom. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe, and then you can get notified when we make other things like the matching necklace. Thank you. Bye-bye.